Hey guys, it's a girl Chinaya once again, aka Ada. So, this was how my Sunday afternoon went. So, after church service, we went to welcome our new baby. Eh? My new baby as well. Not my biological baby, anyway. I welcomed mine like 5 months plus ago. So if you see, they are sharing drinks and refreshments for us. We are sharing it as in just to have fun while welcoming the baby. So you see plenty children in my face. Plenty children and adults. See the beautiful baby. Oh, cute, cute son. He's so cute. We all had fun. Nwa bịara ụwa nnọọ. Anyị wee gụbara nwa bịara ụwa egwu. Ifu ebe anyị nọ na-agụ egwu Igbo. Ịma na when a baby is born in Igbo land, ndị mmadụ agbakọtaba gụba onye nụrụ akwa nwa onye nụrụ akwa nwa mee ngwa ngwa bụrụ ofu onye nwe nwa. See me dancing to the song. Onye nụrụ akwa nwa mee ngwa bụrụ ofu onye nwe nwa. And the women were echoing, we're having fun. Oh, the birth of a child is beautiful. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Ihe ọ na-atọ ọ na-atọ pieces. Nwa ọhụụ na-atọ. Ewelu ka nwa ọhụụ si atọ mmadụ amụjuo ụlọ. Nwa ọhụụ na-atọ ezigbo ụtọ. We were so happy, having fun. After that, we started sharing powder. Ịma na ebe a mụrụ nwa ọhụụ n'ala Igbo, you give people powder. Everybody wants to collect powder. You also see their hands. I didn't get plenty of the faces. I was the one sharing the powder. I didn't get the faces well. I was trying to splash powder on the person we had giving the baton to. Him and I'm one who will be like, this is the next in line. And even apart from wanting another baby, everybody wants to collect the blessing of the new baby, like take powder, rub on their faces. Whenever you see somebody like you see the person opening her hand, so that I'll put powder in her hand. Everybody was having fun. Nwa bụ ihe ọma n'ala Igbo, nwa na-atọ ụtọ. It was an addition. Baby and mother alive. If you onye ọbụla na-ete powder. Baby and mother alive and healthy. Onwekwa ihe karịrị ya o. Ije nwa bụkwa chaa. Ifu onye jesi ya bata, ọ dịka obele ife Chukwu gọzie.